Hello! Welcome to this measurement tutorial on capacity. Smaller containers have a smaller capacity, so are measured in milliliters, such as a small water bottle, a glass of water, or a saucer's bottle. Larger containers have a larger capacity, so are measured in litres, such as a large water bottle, a large carton of milk, and a swimming pool. So, how do we convert between milliliters to litres? To go from milliliters to litres, simply divide by 1,000. And to go from litres to milliliters, carry out the inverse, which is multiplying by 1,000. Make sure you can understand and memorise this diagram for the 11 Plus exam. Let's look at an example. What is 1,000 millilitres in litres? Simply divide 1,000 millilitres by 1,000 to equal 1 litre. To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11 Plus practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.